I'm eating an orange. She's eating an orange. See? Look. Ew. Orange. That's a funky looking orange. I'm glad it's not mine. Well, mine's a little bit peeled already. So, how is everyone doing tonight? Thank you for joining me, Sparkles, and Allyson. Yes. One of my lovely little girls that I talk about when I'm making videos for you guys. This is the one that was the gymnast, level 2 gymnast. Decided she would literally wanted to jump out of gymnastics after several years.
It was boring. They were just like, so first you got to go on the bar.
Nothing is boring.
It's so sad I can't peel an orange.
She hasn't even peeled her orange yet, and I'm eating. I'm already eating mine. Poor thing. I should help her, right? You want a piece? Psych. I'm gonna help her. Alright. Let's get this orange peeled for Allyson so she can enjoy it. Ooh, look at the juice coming from that orange. Woo-wee. That is one juicy orange, I'm telling you. It's not even, well, I guess it is orange season. Here you go. And I would move the camera down so you could see, but my camera doesn't work like that, so I'm having to get another camera. I'm gonna get another camera. What?
I'm getting a GoPro camera.
Yeah, she's getting a GoPro camera. Here we go. We'll just put it like this. We'll put the oranges in the middle. You back up then. There we go. So, I'm pretty sure, yeah, this one's mine. So anyway, how was everyone's week? So far, so good for me. This one has a half day tomorrow.
Really?
Mm-hmm. She didn't know that. She gets out at 12:30 tomorrow from school.
Sarah's watching Pokemon.
It's a good thing I knew. If I didn't know, we'd be in trouble.
I didn't even know because it was. How is it like? It's just like how? Why is there a half day?
I'm not really sure why there's a half day. Maybe you could ask your teachers tomorrow.
Yeah.
Find out why you have a half day. This orange is really sweet.
Yeah, it is really sweet. I just don't like the outside.
I don't have much left, but it's really sweet. I like just taking off like little wedges of the orange. Just, take one wedge and eat one wedge at the time. Just trying to do that so you can see it. See?
I ate two. I ate two. And I split them in half.
When I was little, every Christmas, guess what I got in my stocking?
Candy. Lump of coal?
Not candy, not a lump of coal. Oranges! That's what I got in my stockings every year, oranges. And every year I knew I was going to get an orange in my stocking as part of my Christmas. I didn't really get Christmas gifts. I got oranges and other things, but I never really got a lot of things that I wanted. I got like baby dolls. I didn't like baby dolls.
Were they creepy?
Yeah, like Chucky. Yeah, not cool. Is this your piece? Okay, I'm gonna eat it. It looks really good. So you guys make sure to check out my other channels.
Hi.
Right now, I'm just eating an orange, but I have some mukbang sessions where I literally put down a lot of food for my size. And you should watch it
She
because
just
it's pretty
ate.
cool.
Hibachi and sushi. Japanese restaurant. I'm not going to read the address, but if you want to call them, then what you got to do is
I'm sure you have one near your home.
you got to jump over a troll, and then you got to like and comment and then subscribe to this channel. And then you gotta pretend that we're famous. And then you gotta a mouse.
Okay.
A mouse.
You're dripping orange on me. I'm gonna be sticky. Yuck. Okay, guys. I'm so tired. I gotta go. Thanks for having an orange with sparkles and Allyson. Bye.
If you could tell, there was